Hello team TFT, welcome back to another daily market outlook video. So today we're going to cover the usual DXY, Euro USD and GBP USD. But as you know, we always start out with the Forex Factory daily news. So today obviously we have a bit of red news at the start of the New York session and pretty well right the way through, just sporadically through there. So, I won't be trading during the New York session, never do. But if you are planning on taking any trades and holding, just be mindful of when those news events are. You definitely don't want to get stopped out. Okay, so look at yesterday's price action. Obviously, we saw this little wick to the low side. We continued back up around that midnight area. First couple of hours of the New York, we obviously saw this aggressive sell-off. Now, as for our 15-minute time frame here, we see we have high, low, failed to set a new high, and then pull back down. Oh, actually, we need to check this with a line chart. And as we see here, pull down. So we set a new high there, pull back down, set another high. So this was a valid high through here. Came back up, and now we've swept and taken this valid low through here. Okay, now again, as we know, valid high is only set once the price action, a valid low is only set once the price action takes out the valid high. So this is now a valid high because this low came up and broke this high point, becomes a high, sweeps back down, has a low, and then goes up. This came up and broke the recent high, so then that becomes a new valid high. So the 15-minute market came back down and broke structure here. So this could be a sign of a reversal. We do have a 15-minute trend change. So what does that mean we need to be looking out for? So basically what we would need to be looking for here is, are we going to see this area hold today and maybe give us a bit of a, this could have been just like a liquidity grab, a fake out coming down to fill in the orders down here. Obviously, people looking with the trends, they set entries and stop losses here at this low point, assuming that it's not going to get taken. We see there that there was volume in there and it struggled and then ultimately got forced down into there to obviously try and fill this imbalance. So we're going to see this imbalance get filled and now continue long from here, or are we going to see this break down through here, or possibly see a reversal back up into this area before a sell-off? There's a few different scenarios that could play out here. And remember, when we have multiple valid scenarios, it's probably best just to let the price action play out and just cross a few of these out before we start looking to take any trades. Just try and increase your chances of a profitable trade. Euro. So looking at Euro USD. So basically, as we can see, we've got this 15-minute trend coming down. We've set a low, pulled back up, taken that high, but then ultimately come back down and taken out the low. So basically what we would like to see is, again, we see this pull back down, fails to set a low, pulls back up, and then obviously fails again to set a low and pulls back down. Now that is a sign of weakness that we can't obviously work. We had 2 attempts to try and come back down with big knockbacks before we were able to set another recent low. So this could be the signs of a reversal area. Again, not a true reversal and not a true swing change until we see this recent high get taken. So what are we looking for today? I would honestly like to see us going up and working towards that area. So basically what I would like to see is a possible pull down and a go long from this area. Could be something along these lines through this little area here. And if we have a bit of a look on our fib, right on that 50% line. So if it is a pretty strong trend, we will only see a 50% pullback before going long. Failing that, we may see a bit of a push up, bit of a knockback from all the sell orders up in this area, pull back down into here and then go long. That's ultimately what I would like to see. Again, though, we do have the Dixie that's still trying to make up its mind. So, let's just wait and see make sure we're reading the price action as it's getting printed and making sure we're understanding what areas we're getting rejections from, how strong those rejections are as well. GBP USD. So obviously we saw this area, this month-long range finally get broken on Monday, or leading up to the weekend, sorry. And then ultimately we're back down in the middle of the range again. So what we're waiting for now is to see, well, where are we going from here? Are we going to continue to go down lower and take the liquidity on the bottom of the range? We have had quite a strong pullback here and taken out this low, I assume. Yeah, taken out that low. So basically what we're going to want to see here is this trend going to continue? We do have a 15-minute bearish trend formed here. So, obviously probably just need to trade with that. If we look at the 4-hour chart, it's pretty messy. 4-hour chart, it is slightly bullish, but then we can see here this low's been taken out. So you could argue that it has flipped bearish. So, you could trade the 15-minute with the 4-hour and just continue with a bearish narrative. So if you wanted to drop this area, we see this pull down, and then we started to work our way back. So we may see this scenario play out today, or we could see this scenario play out today. But again, that's different to the euro and the Dixie analysis as well. So there is conflicting evidence there based on the analysis. So just need to be a little bit mindful of that. And we also need to be mindful that the USD news comes in at midnight tonight, for me anyway, for my time zone. So if all that analysis could get thrown out the window based on whatever that news comes out and what the results are for those news topics. So anyway, that's my analysis for today. I know it's a little bit vague, but unfortunately, the market's not really giving us a clear direction at the moment. So all we can do is just kind of speculate, rule in any valid scenarios, and then as the price action plays out, start to cross out the ones that are invalidated. Anyway, guys, thanks for jumping on again today, and I'll see you again on tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.